Hey friends, welcome back to Ray of All Trades. It is time to do the first oil change after the motor rebuild on this Kubota L3650. I've already pulled the two side covers off. Let's get to it. Got a tarp for me to lay on, and let me show you what's going on over here. So the oil pan is split into two sides because there's a front drive shaft here. So you have to drain both sides of the oil pan. We're expecting to get about 8 quarts of oil out of this thing. Let's go ahead and get both of them loose. I feel like they were a little bit on the tight side. Let's get that all drained out. Yeah, just in case you guys couldn't see earlier, I pulled out both drain plugs. They measure right at 11/16. So I think that's actually like a 16 millimeter, maybe a 17 millimeter. Both of those sealed up. Looks like I might have a front differential leaking as well. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's move this over so we get the oil filter. Alright, and then coming around the side of the tractor, I've already got the side cover removed. Clean off this. Alright, my new filter looks like a 164-32430, and the old one was 70,034,035, I think. Might say 25. There's no way to fill this filter up with oil ahead of time because it goes on sideways, so it'll just basically all fall out if you did. Write the number of hours on the filter. Just get it hand tight. Back on the other side of the tractor again. Pull off this cap, and your oil dipstick is down here. Grab a long flexible funnel. 8 quarts of 15W40, just under 8 quarts is 7.9. I'm going to put the plug back in. Okay, while you're here, don't forget to check your air filter, check your belt for your alternator, check your terminals on top of your battery, make sure there's no corrosion starting, check your coolant level, which is up under here. Check your coolant level. If you have an overflow, check that, give it a start, and if you have an oil pressure gauge, look for that to build. If you have an oil pressure light, make sure the light goes out. So for mine, let's turn the key to glow plugs. And let's try to start it. Let's check the oil. So it was right between the low mark and the high mark. That's all there is to it. Put the covers back on after you check everything else. Hope y'all got something out of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.